Hola amigos y amigas, I am Leila, also known as Miss Bohemia, and you don't know this, but this is a redo of a video that I had filmed about a week ago, and I haven't watched it, but I just feel like I was off my game. My hair was definitely not looking its best, so I'm redoing it. What am I filming? Soultanicals, and specifically the CurlBox. As you can tell, the box is already a little mangled because I filmed it before. I thought I was done. Oh my god, I wasn't. I already used the products, and this is Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Day 8 hair. Day 8 hair. And my hair looks amazing. Check it out. Oh, looks incredible. And it feels so good. I cannot rave enough about this CurlBox. After 8 days of using these incredible products, I am so in love and I feel like I can bring the energy better, so that's why I'm redoing the video. So let's pretend this is all new and I'm unboxing it. Yay! What is in the CurlBox? If you're a diehard Soultanicals curly, by now you will definitely know what was in the CurlBox because this video is going up way after the fact. So I did have a reel on it that I have yet to film. I'm filming it tomorrow, but that will definitely be up on Instagram way before this video goes up on YouTube, and it will be linked to below, if that makes any sense. But anyway, let's delve into the actual CurlBox. Whoa! Beautiful informational brochure by AYURVEDIC, the founder and CEO of Soultanicals, and a note from CurlBox. This has info on the box itself. First, I'm going to tell you what's in it. Heat Sage Love Soultanicals Hot Oil Treatment, Hibiscus Hair Healer Healthy Scalp BUTTA Shampoo, Holy Henna Healing Hair Antenna Deep Conditioning Caramel Gloss, Hair Shed Volumizing Root Spread, Tea Spritzer / Herbal Leave-In, and the ALOE Be Thy Main Ayurvedic Hair Gel. I cannot rave enough about this or all these products, but you're just gonna have to wait and stay tuned and watch all the individual videos on these products, just saying. Soultanicals unveiled their first full-scale Ayurvedic collection in the CurlBox, which was an exclusive Soultanicals and CurlBox collaboration where you could get these products only through the CurlBox, and the deal was incredible. It was $85 worth of product for only $30, which was so worth it. I cannot even begin to tell you how worth it. Soultanicals is going to have VEDA-tanicals, an Ayurvedic line yet to be announced, and a video coming soon, etc. as per the time of this filming, so check anything and everything Soultanicals related on their website at soultanicals.com. So to give you a little overview about each product, because I really don't go very much in depth in the upcoming videos as far as giving you information on each product and reading off the pamphlet or the website, because you can always check it out yourself. The main thing in those upcoming videos is going to be my user experience, my first impressions, how it felt, how I used the product. Spoiler alert, all amazing. So I'm just going to give you that base information here. Since I'm talking about all the products in one video, it might be easier, and then you could stay tuned and see how they work out. Again, spoiler alert, amazing. The Heat Sage Love Ayurvedic Hot Oil Treatment is a detoxifying oil solution. It basically has neem, black seed oil, and sage, and promotes thicker, longer, luxurious hair, and is packed with antioxidants, aminos, and minerals. The Hibiscus Hair Healer Healthy Scalp BUTTA Shampoo. It's a botanical delight that slows, is that how you pronounce it, dirt and chemicals from clogged pores and smooths the hair cuticle. The shampoo is formulated with hibiscus, amla, and carrot seed oil. Another thing to note is that it has a powerful blend of antioxidants and amino acids that together promote strength, elasticity, hair growth, and luscious hair. Oh, as well as scalp health. The amla in the shampoo stimulates and strengthens the hair. There's magnesium oil in the shampoo, which dissolves buildup in the hair follicles caused by hard water. And Moroccan clay detoxifies and deep cleanses the scalp and hair. Now for the Holy Henna Healing Hair Antenna Deep Conditioning Caramel Gloss. It's a unique antifungal deep conditioning caramel gloss, and I have to talk slowly because I keep butchering all the words. It's like a poetry slam every time you have to say Soultanical products names. But it adds strength and shine to overprocessed hair. It moisturizes and rebalances parched and weak strands, and it's basically an intensely hydrating balm that contains amla, henna, and agave nectar. The Hair Shed Volumizing Root Spread Tea Spritzer / Herbal Leave-In. Basically, Soultanicals says, think of this as a tea for your tresses. And that's because it's a mighty herbal spritzer that packs the power of black tea in a bottle. It reduces shedding, improves blood flow, boosts natural hair color, prevents dandruff, stimulates hair growth, and sets your hair up to flourish. One thing to note is that black tea contains caffeine, which blocks DHT, and that's basically a hormone that can lead to thin, brittle hair. So this is a win-win all around. And last but definitely never least, the Aloe Be Thy Main Ayurvedic Hair Gel. Soultanicals says to add this to your repertoire for manageable styling and a boost in nutrients. Aloe vera is at the core of the formula, but it also has marshmallow root, argan oil, jojoba oil, and hibiscus. It claims to give you a firm, frizz-free hold on meticulously styled curls without crunchiness, and you get the added benefits of hydration and powerful botanicals that pretty much infuse your hair with vitamins and minerals and everything. That's amazing. And that is it, the 5 incredible products in the CurlBox by Soultanicals, or CurlBox featuring Soultanicals, or the Soultanicals and CurlBox exclusive collaboration. Call it what you will, but this is it, and every single product beyond amazing. Soultanicals, you guys knocked this out of the park. I am even more in love with you than I've ever been. So sadly, if you missed out, you really missed out. You really missed out. I mean, seriously, if Soultanicals has a deal, jump on it, get it, don't miss it. This was an incredible deal. 30 bucks? 30 bucks for $85 worth of products was just mind-blowing. Mind-blowing. Worth every penny. I have to film my future reel tomorrow, and I'm so excited to have to go through this watch again. Everything about this line, this box, this collaboration, this brand, of course, is just amazing. And I'm gonna cut it short because you guys know, if you watch my Soultanicals videos, that once I start going on my love declaration tangents for Soultanicals, it just doesn't stop, because I cannot declare my love for Soultanicals enough. I just cannot. They're amazing. And that's it. If you got the CurlBox, what did you think of these products? I mean, I cannot imagine anyone not liking them. I love them. I love them so much. They are freaking amazing. Let me know. Let me know. The only critique I have, I just wish every single product that Soultanicals ever made would forever be available online, because I'm lucky enough that the core products that I started out with using Soultanicals are always available. But then what happens when I fall in love with these new products and I want more and I can't get them? I want to be able to get them. I want them everywhere. I want them at every single Target and CVS and Walmart, which we don't really have here, and Rite Aid and Ulta and Sally Beauty, everywhere. They should be everywhere. That's like my main complaint about Soultanicals. I wish they were more readily available. I really do. That's it. I want more. But again, I'm going off on the tangent, so I'm going to cut it short here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And stay tuned for more. Ciao for now.